We have a 2020 Honda Passport. We're gonna change out the factory amber dope overhead light bulb from the amber color to the white LEDs. Alright, let's see if this works. Man, look at that, look at the difference. That looks good. Let's check out passenger side. There you go. Gotta have a strong grip with your fingers. Do not try to use pliers, you're gonna end up breaking the bone. Alright, slide this in. That's this up. How it works usually when you put the LED bulb in, you would have to sometime take it out and reverse it because sometimes it lights up, sometimes it doesn't. That's how LED works. But yeah, for the first try, it's pretty good. Alright, now just put everything back in. Slide this. Let's see. Yes, we go. Put the back edge first and then slide the front. Voila. That actually looks good. Now let's do the driver's side. Same process, the back goes in, and the front. So this goes in and then we gotta slide. Let's actually slide the front. Alright, let's test this out. Wow, look at that big difference. Alright, so we're in the second row. And I already took out the plastic cover for the driver's side home light. And now I'm gonna put the LEDs in and hopefully this works on the first try. Alright, put it in, let's test this out. Wow, look at that big difference. I already did the passenger side. Alright, so I'm gonna put the cover back on, same process. Put the left side edges first and then push this side in. And there you go. Look at that. Super bright white LED and makes the car look more modern. Looks way better than the factory amber light bulb that comes with the car. Alright, so in the liftgate, I already took out the cover, took out the light bulb. Now we're gonna install the LEDs. These how the LED bulb looks like. Slide it in. I'm gonna test it out. That doesn't work. We'll flip it over. There you go, that works. Now we're gonna put the cover piece back on. Basically slide this edge first and then push on my index finger in, this side in. Now let's test it out to make sure. There you go, it's good to go. So the whole car interior
light bulbs is upgraded to the white LED that I got from Amazon Prime, and these are definitely worth it, and definitely worth the upgrade and make the car look more modern. Alright, thanks for watching. Be safe.